Hello, awesome people. Thank you for being with me here today. And I'm sure you have a couple of minutes today to just sit and relax and close your eyes or maybe even lay down. Just sit with yourself right now and listen. Be present with your body, any sensations around your body. Maybe you feel relaxed. Maybe you feel stressed out. Maybe there's pain. Whatever the sensation, just be with it. Don't judge it. And don't just be present with your body. Be present with your whole entire being, with your senses, with what you can hear, my voice, the singing bowl, people in your home, people outside your home, cars. And don't judge anything. Don't judge any of the sounds. Annoying, not annoying. There is no good, there is no bad. Those are just labels that we have to put in this world to be able to describe things. In reality, there is no duality. We just made that up. If you're stressed, that is neither bad nor good. It just is. Same if you're relaxed. Same if you're in pain. And once you become at peace with everything that you're feeling, hearing, with everything in this moment, then you will find that stillness. And you will find that it's neither good nor bad. And if you find yourself judging anything, just come back, here and now, just be. Inhale. And exhale long. Inhale. Exhale long. And become present and aware also with any smells, maybe food. No good, no bad, just is. Also become aware and present with sensations of touch on your body, the fabric of your clothes on your skin, the surface where you're sitting, the position of your body in this moment. And become present and aware with your thoughts. Let them come and let them go. If you find a lot of mental activity, don't judge it. Just let it be. Let them cross over the film of your mind, like you are the witness of your thoughts. As if your consciousness was put into somebody else's head and you are there to inspect it and not judge it. Become curious and just let them be. Let them go. Don't follow any trail of thoughts. When you feel like you're outside the present moment, caught up in the past, caught up in the future, caught up in the good or the bad, just come back here and now. Come back to sounds. Come back to smells, to touch, to thoughts, without getting hung up on any of these things. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue with this breathing pattern. Inhaling for 4, holding for 7, exhaling for 8. This will naturally calm down your nervous system. Release the breath pattern now. Just let yourself breathe however your body wants to breathe. Continue being aware of everything, full awareness here. All your senses involved. Touch, sound, smells, even taste, and thoughts. Let yourself be fully present in this moment that is neither good nor bad. That's where you find that peace. That's where you find stillness. And you realize that there's no duality. And now very gently, very slowly, blink your eyes open. Remind yourself to keep this presence and keep this stillness and this peace for the rest of your day, for the rest of your evening. And come back to this meditation when you need a reminder of non-duality, a reminder of full awareness and full presence of your whole being. Take one last deep inhale and a long, long exhale out. Namaste, awesome yogis. I hope you have enjoyed that. I know I did. Om Namah Shivaya.